Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change glow plugs Toyota Land Cruiser full guide. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Wear gloves and safety glasses. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and let the engine cool fully before touching components. Remove engine covers and any obstructing intake parts to access glow plugs. Use penetrating oil on stubborn plugs, then use a torque wrench for proper installation when fitting new glow plugs. In this video, I will explain how to change glow plugs Toyota Land Cruiser full guide. Begin by organizing tools on a clean surface and verifying part numbers match the new glow plugs. Label each plug location with masking tape and a marker so you keep track of wiring order. Clean the area around the glow plug wells to avoid debris falling in. Apply a small amount of anti-seize to new threads and set your torque wrench. In this video, I will explain how to change glow plugs Toyota Land Cruiser full guide. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long wrenching sessions, and it fits most cup holders, perfect for your garage work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to change glow plugs Toyota Land Cruiser full guide. Disconnect electrical connectors and remove any brackets that block access to the glow plugs, keeping bolts organized. Spray penetrating oil if plugs are tight and allow time to soak in. Use a deep socket and steady, even pressure to avoid snapping a plug. Thread new glow plugs by hand first, then tighten to the specified torque and reconnect harnesses securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.